Welcome back to our channel with Alana
and Crystal. We want to thank you guys for joining us today to learn about our Eraflash.
Today, we will show you how to use the scan mode for quick determination. This is helpful when you have no idea what the Flashpoint is, allowing you to get a rough idea of the Flashpoint, which can also be used as an estimate for a proper D7094 or a D93 measure, for example.
Let me show you how easy it works.
Plug in the problem in the back, prepare your sample and insert it into the chamber. Select the scan mode. You want to enter a wide range for your T initial and T final to cover the entire expected range. Press run. In seconds, verified results displayed in assurance of the method. One can take this quick estimated number and run an official D93 or D7094 on the Eraflash.
Wow! Look how easy and fast our test ran.
Thank you for watching our video on the Eraflash feed. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more videos from us.
Don't forget to check out our new updates on www.analytical.com.